Sorry guys. Right now I'm playing Subway Surfers. Okay, here it is. Oh, freaking ad. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's go. Oh, freak, it's so laggy. Oh, man. Okay, there you go. Getting the hang of it. Why does this thing look to be so laggy? Sorry if this is really laggy. Oh, freak! Oh, man. If you're wondering how to do this, then what's it called? You have to download this one app and do a lot of things after. I'll make another video for that. Okay? Like you can see that M right there. It's part of that thing. Freaking thing. Oh man, I could have gone that. Sorry, it's so laggy. Okay, this time I gotta try my best. Alright. I'll make a video about the walkthrough how to do this, but it's gonna be a little laggy. Because my cousin, he told me how to do this right now. So, yeah. What the heck, did you just see that? It's getting less laggy, that's good. I'm gonna do this last time. And I'll make a part 2 another time. And this stuff I didn't buy because it goes on stuff. As you can see, these are my friends from Facebook. And they won too. This is my cousin that helped me. He's a Naruto fan. And I'm a Naruto fan too. If you don't know what that is, it's really complicated. Yeah, as you can see, oh yeah, this is his number. Yeah, it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll make a part 2 soon. See you later. Peace.